New Sephora Favorites kit is available now. The hottest in hair care kit. The set includes 10 must-haves for the next level hair. If I do happen to get this in PR, I will do a full review for you. Now, the cost of it is $35. It does have a $91 value. This limited edition kit includes all of Sephora's hottest hair treatments, an incredible value with brands like Vegamour, colorwow, and D. Now, the set will include a 3.3 ounce, 97 milliliter Adwoa Beauty Blue Tansy reparative mask, a 2 ounce, 60 milliliter Ceramo Guava leave-in conditioner, a 1.7 ounce, 50 milliliter colorwow's Dream Coat Supernatural Spray, a 0.13 ounce, 3.8 milliliter crownaffair's the oil, a 2 ounce, 60 milliliter D's Moonshine Moisture Mask, a 0.16 ounce, 4.7 milliliter fableandmane's Hollywood's pre-wash hair treatment oil, a 5 ounce, 147 milliliter JVN's complete air dry cream, a 0.17 ounce, 50 milliliter K18 Biomectic Hair Science, a 0.5 ounce, 15 milliliter Vegamour's GRO Revitalizing Conditioner, a 0.5 ounce, 15 milliliter Vegamour's GRO Revitalizing Shampoo. Let me know if this is one you guys are thinking about picking up. I hope you have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.